Yeah. Got a package today. What could it be? I don't know. We'll see at Michael's house. Unboxing. Now, since I didn't do the unboxing for any of the other damn parts.
We got double recording going on here.
I know, for real. Ooh, Grimmspeed.
Dang, homie.
Oh, it's a sticker.
Damn, I never got stickers from them.
Oh, that's it.
Do a little up close.
Ooh, Grimmspeed. I don't know what that second one's for, but yeah. This
So,
is the one I'm gonna be using. This smaller
the
cylinder.
intercooler, coupler, inlet, whatever the hell you want to call it.
You want to call it, yeah. But yep. I don't know if I want to put it in today, but
It should be pretty. It should be pretty easy.
you sure?
Dang. Cool.
Yeah, I just barely noticed that there's a name on here. Shout out to Charlie at Grimmspeed for packaging this for me.
Thank you, Charlie.
Personally packaging this for me. Thanks, bro.
Kill him.
Alright, so there's Michael's Bugeye sedan with the STI wing. You guys haven't seen it yet, huh? Yeah, it's Michael's. Ooh. What we're gonna do is energy and Momo quick release install today, so yeah. Not... Hey, shut up.
Oh,
shut up.
We're over here installing
Ferk.
Hey, your channel doesn't know.
Huh? Yeah, they do now. They will after this video. But yeah, just to update you guys don't know Michael, but he's my buddy from like high school. Okay. It says $1.79.
I didn't see that.
Alright, well let's get to this install, bros. Alright, so we finished the steering wheel install. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Hang on. Momo, steering wheel install. But yeah, if you guys want to see the process of the install, I'm going to leave the link to Michael's channel in the description below. Alright, so it's 2 days after Michael's install for his steering wheel, and now I am hoping I can get my intercooler inlet in today, because today we're going to be chilling with the homies later. But for now I'm going to go run some errands with the family, so yeah. Gonna be doing that, and then hopefully later I can free up some time and go hang out with the guys and possibly get my intercooler inlet done. Alright, so what is up? I just got to Wilson's, and right now I'm gonna hook in the battery because I don't want anything to happen while I'm working in there, so yeah. Let's get this shit started. So to take out the battery, what you want to do is get a 10. Now it's time for the positive. Let's see if I can get in there. Gosh. Okay, there we go. What? Oh no, I got it. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to this thing. The Grimmspeed intercooler inlet that I showed you guys a couple days ago. Because this one, it's going bad, as you can see. People told me it was going bad. I don't know for sure. This is my first EJ motor, so I wouldn't know. But yeah, this is finally going in today. Shoutouts to Godspeed, or Grimmspeed. Sorry, Godspeed. I'm used to Honda parts. Grimmspeed, and shout out to Charlie at Grimmspeed. Thanks, bros. And Rally Sport Direct for hooking it up. Thanks. So for this first part, you want to try to find out, you want to get all the bolts off of the intercooler that are holding it down. I think the ones on the sides are 12s and the ones towards the middle are 10s. So yeah, let me get those ones out real quick. So I got most of the bolts out. Yep, and then I don't know for sure if I'm supposed to, but I'm taking off this one right here just to be safe. Ow, fuck. Yeah. I mean, it's almost off. See? Yeah, get you guys in a bit. Alright, got the old one out. It tore, as you can see. Yep. OEM as fuck. God, this is harder than I thought. Here's a comparison. Focus. Yep. Come on, focus. Here's the old one, or new one, Grimmspeed. And here's the old OEM one. Yeah, this one needed to be changed out badly. So yeah, let's get this in there. Okay, so got the intercooler out. Now I gotta mess with some stuff, get it to all clock around right. So yeah, update you guys once we're done. Laters. Alright, so got it in. Grimmspeed. And everything's hooked back up. Let's see if it starts up alright. I'm gonna double check everything before I start it up. So yeah. Alright, so everything's been double checked. Let's see if she turns on. Yes! Alright, she's on. And it's good. Cool. Alright. Everything's running A-OK. Wow. Alright. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. We'll catch you guys in the next episode. Laters.